guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Pam, and in today's video we are going to be doing this beautiful Galentine's makeup. You can wear this on a date, you can wear this out with your friends, you can wear this wherever. You don't even have to wear it on Valentine's Day, but I really wanted to do something very pink. Obviously, you guys know that's my favorite color, and I incorporated some reds in here, a nude lip that I honestly used like 50 different lipsticks for this one lip just because I'm so anal about that one lipstick color. So while you're here, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. I am going to go ahead and prime my eyes today with the Plouise base in Rumour 2. Since I'm not 100% sure with what eyeshadows I'm using, I'm thinking of just starting with one eye and doing it on camera with you guys and doing the other on just like a fast forward motion because, yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. I have a shitload of long videos. So I'm going to go into the Conspiracy palette, and I want to go in with Pigment, and it's that beautiful pink. And I'm going to put that into my crease. And I'm just dipping that into there, picking up some product. Lots of fallout, so I'm working in parts. The only thing with this base, you guys, is that it creases in like 2 seconds. I don't know who said that this base doesn't crease. They lied. It's a great base. It just creases. Going in with some patting motions right here. So I'm in the crease, but I'm also blowing it out a bit over the crease. Like that. And just like small little brush strokes, patting it in there. So I'm gonna go back in to Pigment, tapping it off. Look how pretty that is. Wow. You definitely don't want a harsh line. Okay, to further intensify it, I'm going to go ahead and go into Cherry Wet, which is like a red, almost pinkish color. I'm putting that right into the crease. I picked up a old Sonia Kashuk brush that I had here and picking up that much product. Tapping it off again and patting it in. And as I'm patting, because I do want to stay in this area, I'm swiping as well. So I feel like this is kind of like the perfect look. These really out there pinky, reddy kind of looks for like a girls' night out, like a Galentine. What are your plans for Valentine? Are you doing anything fun? Let me know down below. I want to know. Do you celebrate it? Do you see it like a Hallmark holiday? Something you're not into? Like, honestly, I feel like Valentine's is definitely a day for you to express love or to receive love a little bit extra. I remember being single and like, I used to make Valentine's Day such a fun day for me. Or what I would do was always make it about my friends. I would go out with my friends. I would go out with my sister. My sister was my Valentine for so many years. And she was a great Valentine. So it was cute. It's definitely a day to turn up. Like, why not, you know? Obviously, now that I'm in a relationship, it's a little different. I have someone who we both appreciate each other a lot, and we both like to make each other feel very special. So I definitely do not want anyone to tell me that they get depressed on Valentine's Day, because you can make the most of it. There's no love like family and friend love, you know what I mean? Like for Valentine, I remember my mom always would get us little chocolate hearts. It would be so cool, like mom's getting me chocolate. And I just want to keep Cherry Wet right in this area. Like I don't want to blow that out too much or anything like that. because that's probably as dark as we're going to go. So I'm holding a giveaway on my Instagram. So if you're not following my Instagram, make sure you do so if you do want to win goodies. Duh. And I'll put my Instagram somewhere here, and I'll also link it down below. Just giving away some goodies to just some of my followers. I got to 3K, thank God. It's just kind of like me showing you guys appreciation. I'm giving away an Rezy palette. I'm giving away 2 ColourPop palettes, and I also am giving away a highlight. As of today, me recording this today, I have not purchased a highlight, so I don't know which highlight it will be. But yeah, that's my little gift package. I will let you guys know exactly what you have to do. I'll put all the information down below because as of today, I'm filming this obviously early and I'm not sure exactly. So everything will be down below on how to enter, what you have to do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease up. Am I going to, are you really though? I am. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Every time I say I don't want to cut my crease, I end up cutting my crease. But yes, I will be cutting my crease now. So I'm going in with the Plouise base yet again. So I'm also going to be mixing in the Plouise Rumour Zero base because I really want that color to pop. So we're going in with this beautiful bubblegum pink color from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm using I don't even know. I'm just taking a flat shader brush. I am dipping that in, like I'm literally coating my brush with the eyeshadow. I'm tapping this in. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush just to get in those little areas. Tell me this is not the pink obsessed person's dream in a palette. Look at this freaking packaging, guys. What? I should have definitely done my nails for today, but girl, I'm trying to film, trying to get this content out, okay? I'm going in with Rezy, I think, and I'm just going to put that on the outer part of the cut crease. And I'm using the M433 brush and just digging in, and that's the color I'm putting right here. Some fallout there, girl. So I did add that in and I'm not too crazy about it. I don't know why. I actually went and picked up a darker pink, a darker matte pink, because I think that's why it looks kind of like I blended it all together. And I do not want to mess up this look. So I'm going to go into the Hudabeauty Electric Obsession palette. But I'm going to use that hot pink. Actually, I like this so much better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the Amrezy shade. I'm putting that on the bottom lash line. I want a bone color to kind of clean up the top under my eyebrow. I'm picking up Good Morning. It is from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. It's like a pretty muted pink. That's like the trick to cleaning up. Like anytime you feel like you blew it out too much and you don't want it to go up that high, just use a lighter either concealer or eyeshadow and it cleans it up like instantly and brings down that eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with the MAC 217 brush and I'm just going to do any blending that I feel I have to do to make everything look nice and seamless. I'm going to actually use Saucy from the Baddieb lashes. I'm not going to show you the packaging because they look disgusting. This look. Actually, you know what? Before I put the lash on, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye just to make sure everything matches. You know, because sometimes one eye is perfect, the other eye is like, not that great. Paradise makeup. It's like a water activated makeup. Spray some Morphe setting spray. And this is what I'm gonna do eyeliner with. I'm going to go right into concealer, and I'm using my Juvias Place concealer. My foundation is just terrible. I do not like the way this foundation looks on me today. I don't know why. And I'm just going to conceal as usual. But like I told you guys, I definitely will be going ham. And I'll definitely be applying these in parts. That's the thing, when you like leave your foundation on for a while, it's like full on glow. When you leave your foundation on for a while and then like do eyes, it's just a lot. And look at this fucking pimple on my chin. Like, it's so ugly and it's so big. Okay, so I'm gonna set using my RCMA as per usual. And of course, this started setting into my fine lines. I'm going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics. I'm gonna mix Isla and Toasted. So I'm using the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush, but I don't use it for foundation, obviously. So I'm going to start with Isla, and I know these are super pigmented. I love blush, you guys. If it's one thing that I can't leave behind, it's the blush. It just really gives you such a cute finish. I'm going to be using the Nars eyeliner, and it's in the shade Rue Bonaparte. I'm definitely getting that wrong. I got foundation everywhere, you guys. Everywhere. You see how that instantly like opens up that area? So now I'm going to go ahead and go into the Amrezy palette. And I'm using that beautiful pink shade, Rezy. And I'm using Barb in the inner tear duct. Wow, this color is so pretty, you guys. Look at that. I literally just swiped it and I'm already like, I'm using whatever's left on the brush and I'm bringing that down even more. I'm telling you guys, I want this to be big. So I put Barb in my inner tear duct. And it's beautiful, and I thought I was recording and it wasn't because I'm all over the place. Duh. Look at that, you guys. It's so out there. I love it. I'm just going to go into my Mirame highlight from Dose of Colors because it's right in front of me. This highlight with the Too Faced Diamond Light highlight. So I've been mixing them up and I like it. It's so pretty. I'm using my Bodyography lip pencil in Timber. I usually use this like all the time with almost every lipstick. Either this one or my NYX lip liner. Those are my favorites. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Uncuffed lipstick. And she looking like this. Honestly, you guys, I'm mixing like 10 different colors because I want like a pinky brown, you know what I mean? Me and my 50 lipsticks that I have on, you guys. I can't even begin to tell you what colors I have on because I wanted to like give it a nude, pinky, purpley tint, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you can keep up because I know this one was a little bit of a faster tutorial because I was like, go, go, go. But I feel like I've been working on this all day. So that sums up my Galentine's Day look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you liked the video. We're giving it a good thumbs up. Don't forget, I have a giveaway going on over on Instagram. I will link everything down below. And yeah, I hope that maybe if you do rock this for Galentine's Day, make sure you link me, at me, hashtag me, whatever, and I will definitely repost you. Until next time, you guys. So I'm using this beautiful bubblegum. So I'm using this beautiful bubblegum. You know when you're just so tired that you start becoming delirious? That's how I feel right now. I had a late night. I was filming all last night and I got up early. Ugh. Anyway. Wow. Every time I think that I'm filming, I'm not fucking filming. Nice. Great. Awesome. Yay. My bun is so big. Look at that. There's just so much thickness going on there.